Tia, Bangai, Yenio, baby, Pia, baby, and no FA, Black Kitchen, and word Piania, Bedio, and then now a video, Ganga.
Welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA'S Kitchen. I am still here at my beautiful Elina's house, and today we have another recipe for you guys. Today you're going to enjoy that recipe, okay? So guys, today I have a very special guest that she's going to make this recipe for us. Like, as you know, the last time was Elina and this time is another guest. So I'm just going to welcome my lovely friend and a sister, Anna.
Hello. Hello.
Hi Anna, welcome to OBAAPA'S Kitchen.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, you are very welcome, girl. So today, what are you gonna cook for us?
I'm gonna make meatballs with spaghetti.
Yay, guys, this gets so exciting. I can't wait to try your meatballs because I know Anna, you cook amazingly like your sister. And guys, Anna is a sister of Elina, so as you can tell, they look resemble, right? So guys, let's get into the kitchen.
So let's get started. Here I have organic turkey, 1 pound. Here are the bread crumbles. This is Parmigiano Reggiano, and I have here oregano, paprika, garlic powder, seasonings, onion salt, and some salt. This we will need 1 egg, 1 onion, and some garlic as well in there. And we are going to use sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, and we'll use this spaghetti sauce with mushroom for the spaghetti.
Oh my god. Then I see some oil coming up.
Some oil so it doesn't stick to the pot.
Okay. It is good. So let's say about 1 tablespoon of oil, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not too much.
So guys, when you cook your spaghetti, make sure you add oil to boil with the spaghetti. So that way you don't get the in that way, so you don't get the spaghetti stick together.
Into the pot.
Awesome. So that's amazing. Alright guys, so we're gonna wait until it boils and then we will be back. Alright guys, so right now our water is about to boil. We're just gonna go ahead and make our sauce.
So we'll add some oil to the pan. We we wanna fry some onion.
Alright, so our onion is still cooking. As you guys can see,
Our onion is ready, and we have here some paprika, some
That's
spices, okay? To give more taste. Look at this color.
it's beautiful. I like it. So you're adding all our sauce in there right now. Guys, she smell this. It smells really nice. You can tell how colorful it looks. So right now she's going to add the spaghetti. The water is ready.
Okay. And they'll melt and just go inside with time.
Guys, look at that. Look at these meatballs. Balls.
Adding this
Looks so good.
to the sauce.
Anna's meatball special. Specially made. Looks so yum.
And mix.
Wow. This juicy sauce. So how long do we have to wait until
I think until our pasta is ready.
ready? Okay, so now we're just gonna let it simmer. So Anna, what do you have for us?
So we got the pasta ready. Put some here.
Yummy, yum, yum.
Yummy.
Yeah, this looks
Going
yummy.
to add the sauce.
Like, look at that
on
sauce
top.
right there.
And the meatballs. Look at this.
Perfection. You put like cheese on top too.
Oh yeah. Our mozzarella or parmesan.
Look at it. Looks like Italian style. Italiana.
It is.
Italiana.
It's Italian spaghetti.
Italiana.
Let's add some of the.
Cheese.
This is Parmigiano Reggiano.
Okay.
I love cheese.
Looks good. Good, guys.
Okay. More.
Pour the whole thing.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright guys, so now our spaghetti, it is ready like we always do. We are going to taste it and then see how Anna did, okay? So now I'm going to taste it and then see. Are you ready, Anna?
Yeah.
So okay, we're gonna cheers, mate.
Cheers.
So now I can taste the onion, the garlic, the meatloaf, the meatball. Try it. Guys, so with me, I think I'm going to give Anna 100 over 100 because the sauce is amazing. You know, the spaghetti is well cooked, meatballs is well baked, so I'm going to give you 100 over 100. So good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So guys, this is how you make our spaghetti and meatballs. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share.
Thank you for watching, and comment below what you think.
Thank you guys. So we will see you later. Bye.
Bye.